let me explain something to y'all, okay? So, when you are dating, when you're in the dating game, so y'all see at the beginning of the video, y'all can see all my, what is this called? Sushi. This is the crunchy, wait. Oh, shucks. Crunchy roll spicy imitation crab. I wish I could have had, see, halfway gone. Because when I started this video, y'all got to excuse me. I'm stopped up too. When I started this video, my phone rang. And baby, that phone be hot. You hear me? I don't know why, but I'm so hungry. I haven't had this in so long. I'm going to tell y'all. So it's like the California roll, though. With the little spicy stuff on top, okay? Let me see. Y'all can see it. See? If I had my way, it would have cream cheese in it. But I didn't buy this till nighttime, so on Wednesdays at Publix, they had $5 Wednesday. And I'm going to tell you, this Publix that I went to, shucks, this is Publix close by my job, right? And I noticed, like, I don't know, I'm not in Kansas anymore. This is ginger. This is a big old piece. I like mine cut thinner than this. Let me see. Okay, it is a thinner piece. I'm not in Kansas anymore because I'm going to tell you, baby, back at home, like, we have all this, everything, the normal stuff is $5 as well. But I'm not silly. I know that they do reduce the amount that be in there. But what they had was some $5 Wednesday stuff and then the regular price stuff. But usually on Wednesdays, they don't put any of the regular price stuff out. But there was so much that changed in different places after the pandemic. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all, somebody tell me, what's the difference in the pickled ginger? Okay, this ginger be white. But then it be like the pink pickled ginger that you would buy in a thing. To me, it still has that real pungent taste, but I don't know what. Child Shabu. Let me show y'all what else about. And I'm going to tell y'all, I'm going to keep it all the way 100, but we're going to talk about it on my members only. I went on the weirdest. When I tell y'all, I went on the weirdest day ever. And let me tell y'all what's super weird about it. Is I kind of enjoyed it. I kind of enjoyed it. Weird. Different. When I tell you different. But I'm like, I was questioning myself all the way home, like, did I enjoy it? Like, I don't know. But I bought these. Did my date feed me? No, I didn't want him to buy me any food. I only let him buy me one drink. And let me tell you, maybe that's part of my problem too. I've told y'all so many times that I've been told that I don't let a man be a man. And I'm like, the hell? But this was the first date, so I'm like, okay, you can get me my first drink, and the next round, I'll get our round. I don't see nothing wrong with that. I really don't see anything wrong with that, y'all. I really don't. So, I did, I let him buy me a drink. He was like, oh, I got this, I got that, I got this, I got that. And he was like, I'll get you something to eat. And I'm like, no, because it was more like, A pub, not like restaurant. Let's keep it all the way 100. I'm a little bit on the bougie side. I'm kind of like ghetto bougie though sometimes. So I could have had a good bougie moment, but I was just like, this first date. I don't even want to call it a date. I call it encounter. Honestly. And I feel like, just like how a man tries to, I won't say a man tries to impress the woman on first dates. What is wrong with a woman? Correct me if I'm wrong. What's wrong with a woman showing a man like, I got this too? I got you too, boo. Like, what's wrong with letting a woman, what's wrong with a woman showing a man, we a team. We got this together. Together we good. I don't know. It's some of them. I can already, sometimes I can tell which ones I need to show them like, boo-boo. Your dollar ain't as long as you think it is over here, boo. I appreciate you got me, but I want you to see me too. I can pay this tab all by myself without you here, sir. Maybe I'm wrong, but hey, it is what it is. So, it was fun. He's fun. He was different. I'm so proud of myself, but anyway. Basically, it was just, I went to this place, this pub that's not too far from my job. That's why I said it's not a real date. But I had seen somebody that I had seen before. And we ended up sitting at the table together, talking, chit-chatting, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, enough about that. We don't talk about that over here. But this is Cajun crab dip. I like this as well. So I bought this, $5.87. And these chips, well, buy one, get one free. So I got this for $2.47. Everything together, it was less than 20 bucks. So I got a snack for about 3 or 4 days right here. Because I'm going to tell you, these little Ritz crisp, they're good. But baby, if you got almost tender teeth, you're not going to be able to eat too many of them. Me. So, oh my gosh, you know I'm hungry. I never eat a whole slab. That's what I call it. The sushi, a whole slab. Y'all, I'm so congested as well. Oh man, hold on. Oh my gosh, what is the deal with this little booty piece? Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh, what is going on, y'all? Like, who eats scrambled sushi? There it is. Oh my God. I got too much wasabi on it. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is so good. So here was my dinner. No, I'm not drunk. Trust. Sometimes I just have slow moments, but here was my dinner done. Here's my snack. Okay. These are at Publix. Buy one, get one free. Okay. That means if you buy one, it's half the price of the regular price. Just in case y'all didn't know that. Let's see what it's hitting for though. Oh, Lord. So I just noticed my Bluetooth was on. Yeah, I was so ready to get home and get up out that dress today. Y'all know I be wearing them little loose fitting dresses, and you know, for real, like this that for me these days it's all about comfort. Hold on. Excuse me. It's all about comfort, and you know, like cute comfort, you know, that's me. Cute comfort. Baby. Let's see if it focuses. Is something on the screen? Okay. Honey, I don't know. Y'all saw it. Oh, that's pretty good. But there's a chunk. I'm gonna tell you, this will be so good. Hashtag shout out Baltimore. You know, I'm from Baltimore now. But this would be so good if it was real crab meat. I love Publix crab dip. And it is so good with hold on. Well, that's a wrap. Well, what is the deal? Child. Anyway, these are so good with it, the veggie chips. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time, my good people.